Hi guys, Ms. Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about being able to use tape diagrams to solve comparing word problems. Now we know the first thing that we do whenever we are solving for a word problem is that we have to read the word problem. So looking at this word problem, we know we're going to read it 3 times. So let's get started. Max has 12 Legos. Liz has 3 Legos. How many fewer Legos does Liz have than Max? Read it again. Max has 12 Legos. Liz has 3 Legos. How many fewer Legos does Liz have than Max? Now I'm going to read it again. This time I'm going to do cubes, which means I'm going to circle the important numbers, underline the question, box in the important words. And then I'm going to think about how I'm going to solve it, and then I'm going to solve. So Max has 12 Legos. Liz has 3 Legos. How many fewer Legos does Liz have than Max? Okay, so now I know that Max has 12 Legos and Liz has 3 Legos. So we have to figure out how many fewer Legos does Liz has than Max. So we have to compare Max's Legos to Liz's Legos by using a tape diagram. So we're going to ask ourselves the $1,000,000 question. Does this word problem tell us the whole? Now this is very tricky because when looking at this, it doesn't come out and tell you what the whole is. We know that we are comparing Max and Liz. So the one that has the most Legos would be our whole in this instance. So Max's 12 Legos will be our whole. So we're going to draw our whole. 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 6, 7, 9, 10, space, 11, 12. Alright, now we're going to box in our 10. And we know this is 12 Legos for Max. So I'm going to label that right away so I don't forget. 12 Legos for Max. Now Liz has 3 Legos. So now within these 12 Legos, I'm going to box off 3. And I'll put 3L for Liz. Now the rest, this mystery right here, this is going to be how many fewer Liz has than Max. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fewer. So we have to write our number sentence. So we know that our number sentence, we're going to use subtraction. With our number sentence, we know subtraction is your whole minus the part we knew equals the part we found. So we know that 12 was our whole minus 3, which is what we knew, equals 9, which is what we found out. So now our statement says Liz has 9 fewer Legos. I'm going to box in my 9 in my number sentence. So this right here is how to solve a word problem whenever you're comparing two things using a tape diagram. Alright guys, that's it for this video.